It all starts with a vision, designing the ultimate apex predator, the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series. Crafting the core, high-grade carbon fiber layers are meticulously stacked for maximum rigidity and lightness.
Marrying carbon strength with an aluminum space frame, the foundation of the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series takes shape.
Submerge for perfection. An advanced electrochemical bath shins the entire structure against the elements.
The canvas is prepped. A flawless primer coat ensures the legendary paint bonds perfectly to the body.
The marriage prep. High-performance adaptive suspension and AMG components wait for their final bond. Handcrafted performance. In Affalterbach, a single master technician begins building the heartbeat of this beast.
Forging thunder. High-strength pistons and the flat-plane crankshaft are secured inside the AMG V8.
The marriage. The chassis and the brute force of the AMG powertrain become one single entity.
The ultimate seal of quality. The AMG Builder's badge completes the hand-built twin-turbo powerhouse.
Heart transplant complete. The twin-turbo V8 drops into his front mid-positive, perfectly balancing the weight.
Unleashing the fire. The iconic magma beam red cloaks the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series in pure aggression. The nervous system. Miles of advanced wiring harness are integrated to connect the car's digital brain.
Unmatched stopping power. Massive motorsport-derived carbon ceramic brakes are fitted to all four corners.
Where the rubber meets the road. Ultra-wide forged wheels and bespoke racing tires are locked and torqued. The voice of the beast. A lightweight performance exhaust system is routed to deliver that signature AMG roar.
Defying gravity. The monumental two-tier active carbon rear wing is bolted on for massive downforce. Bringing it to life. Smart LED headlights and aggressive rear cluster lights are seamlessly wired in.
Weight reduction everywhere. Track-inspired carbon fiber trim pieces are secured inside the cockpit.
Race-ready comfort. Carbon fiber bucket seats with magma red stitching are bolted directly to the chassis. Cockpit installation. The driver-focused dashboard featuring the MBUX system is seamlessly merged into the cabin. The mirror finish. A premium clear coat creates a deep, glossy reflection that commands attention.
The awakening. Vital fluids are pumped in, and for the very first time, the 720 horsepower V8 roars to life.
Testing boundaries. On the dyno, every single horsepower and aerodynamic angle is calibrated to track perfection. From blueprint to absolute asphalt dominance, the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series is ready to conquer the world.